嗨，各位同学好，欢迎来到 Phonics 自然音标 Phonics 自然音标的课程。今天老师为你介绍的是 Vocabulary of the Day，Vocabulary of the Day 每日单字。同样的，今天我们要到 cn.com edition.cn.com 去寻找本日的 Headline News of the Day， 并且从中去了解一些单字的拼音技巧以及逻辑。Okay, students, let's go to the cn.com, edition.cn.com, and search for the headline news of the day. And today, the headline article for today is Hubble Snaps Gargantuan Black Hole. Hubble Snaps Gargantuan Black Hole. Hubble Snaps Gargantuan Black hole. Okay, let's check out the story together. And students, just remember, if you wish to study with me with this article, if you do, simply on the top right hand side, you will see a search menu from CNN. And if you like to study with me, just type the article title here, exactly the same, into the search menu, and we can have the same story to talk about. Okay, today's article headline news is Hubble image, dormant black hole, in a word, is gargantuan. Hubble image, dormant black hole, in a word, is gargantuan. Hubble image, dormant black hole, in a word, is gargantuan. Okay, we see some stars from the images, from the photo. This image shows the elliptical galaxy NGC 49889 deeply embedded with the Gamma galaxy cluster. This is a gigantic, supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy. Okay, let's check out the story highlight. New photos of a galaxy gives clearly look at one of the biggest black holes. Such holes are created when a galaxy is formed. Black hole is dormant until it runs into matter it can consume. Okay, I'm going to read the CNN news. CNN, the Hubble Space Telescope, has given scientists the sharpest ever look at a known galaxy containing an enormous black hole. The supermassive black hole is in a galaxy called NGC 4889, one of the several in the Gamma cluster, officials said Thursday. According to NASA, every galaxy has a supermassive black hole with a masses greater than 1 million suns combined at the center. It is believed that the black holes were created at the same time as the galaxy they are in. Even though NGC 4889's black hole measures 130 billion kilometers in diameter, you can see it in a picture. Black holes are invisible because light can escape their gravitational pull, according to NASA and the European Space Agency, ESA. But scientists were able to measure NGC 489's black hole by using the velocity of the stars moving around it, and found it to be one of the largest known black holes. While this black hole used to feast on stars and gas, It has been dormant for billions of years and is now so peaceful that the stars are forming from its remaining gas and orbiting undisturbed around the black hole, according to a statement issued by NASA and ESA. Certainly, a collision with another galaxy can reactivate the black hole, said Roland van der Merwe, a W-first mission head at the Space Telescope Scientists Institute in Baltimore, where researchers work on the Hubble Space Telescope. Among other missions, W-FIRST stands for Wide Field Infrared Survey Telescope, which is NASA's new astrophysics mission with the Space Telescope Science Institute to study large regions of the sky in order to learn about planets beyond our solar system. Okay, I'm going to stop right here, students. And let's go to the notes I have prepared for you guys to study. The first thing is, let's take a look at the headline news, the headline title. Let's read along with me. Take a closer look. Hubble captures peak of Gargantuan black hole. Take a closer look. Hubble captures peak of Gargantuan black hole. Again, take a closer look. Hubble captures peak of Gargantuan black hole. Okay, let's go to the vocabulary words. There are two vocabulary words for today, and now we're going to discuss their meaning, usage, pronunciation, and the definition. We use spelling bees, pronunciation, and spelling improvement and skill. Take a look at the first vocabulary words. Capture, 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 capture. Definition of capture. In English, verb with object taken to one's position or controlled by force. The Russians captured 13,000 men. More example sentences. Ethiopian forces claim to have captured the town for strategic reasons, and in these they intend to withdraw later. Origin, mid-16th century as a noun from French, from Latin capturer, from capt, seize, taken, from the verb capere. Okay, let's take a look at the second vocabulary word. Gargantuan, gargantuan, gargantuan. Definition of gargantuan. In English, adjective, enormous or gargantuan appetite. More example sentences. However, for those of us for whom it also is work, it is stamina and endurance challenges of gargantuan proportions. Origin, late 16th century, from Gargantua, the name of ferocious giant of rubber legs. Book of the same name, N. Okay, now it's a time we're going to repeat the pronunciation and definition for those two vocabulary words. And this time I want you to read along with me. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Capture, capture, capture. Definition of capture. In English, verb with object taken into one's position or controlled by force. The Russians captured 13,000 men. More example sentences. Ethiopian forces claim to have captured the town for strategic reasons and insist they intend to withdraw later. Origin, mid-16th century as a noun from French from Latin capture, from capt, seize, taken, from the verb capere. Okay, let's take a look at the second vocabulary word, gargantuan. 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 Definition of gargantuan in English adjective. Enormous, a gargantuan appetite. More example sentences. However, for those of us for whom it also is work, it is a stamina and the endurance, challenges of gargantuan proportions. Origin, late 16th century from Gargantua, the name of a voracious giant in Rabelais' book of the same name, 1534. N. Okay, students, now is the time. We are going to redefine those two vocabulary words using phonics, pronunciation and spelling improvement skill. Let's take a look at the first word, capture. Capture. 好的，同学们，我们来看第一个单字 capture。好，根源16世纪哈，转过来字哈，从法文或拉丁文。拉丁文的话，看它这个 capture。好，我们是 E， 它是 A。好，那当然我们看这个字哈。啊，第一个字就是说，我们看到第一个重音在第一个音节，所以第一个音节是我们有重音，啊，主重音 main stress 主重音，啊，在第一个音节，啊，那第一个音节就是我们的 strong syllable 啊，强音节，啊，所以第一个音节是强音节，那第二个音节啊，当然就是弱音节了 weak syllable。好。那我们在弱音节的地方有没有注意到它是尾音是 T-U-R-E？ 那记得哈，音是我们知道哈，结音如果是 E-R 或者 R-E， 它们的发音是一样的，都会念或者我们讲这个是 IPA 的写法，啊，那如果是 KK 音标就是这样写啊，所以这是KK 音标的方式哈。那当然啊，我们用新版的话就是。啊，记得哈，就像我们讲英式发音啊，我们美国人哈 ，center 是 C-E-N-T-E-R， 英国人的 center 是 C-E-N-T-R-E， 啊，所以 R-E 等于 E-R， 啊，在很多古老的字哈，它都是 R-E 等于 E-R， 所以我们这边啊，它是一个对字，对调过来，啊，当然我们在这个 T-U-R-E 的这个地方找到第一个母音。一的地方打一个圈啊，把它当成弱母音啊，但是自己要去想，它其实是对调过来，这个是这个是 R， 所以合起来就 R 啊，那我们的 IPA 啊 ，KK 音标是这样写。那 TU 注意的 U 打叉 ，T 打双线啊，那这就是一个特殊发音，也就是 TU TU 这个字哈。T 打双线 U 打叉时，它就会念成 ch， 变成二合音。所以实际上这个 U 它是不发音的哈，它没有发音哈。它是 T， 它把它 T 跟 U 合起来它这样变成一个二合音哈，变成一个二合音 digraph 二合音哈，digraph 二合音在这边 TU as ch。好，所以我们这个地方先解决这个弱音节地方。那强音节这个地方呢 ，strong syllable 我们看它组合 ，onset 开头子音是 C， 开头的首音也就开头子音是 C， 跟尾随过来的 nucleus， 我们的母合音 啊，我们的母合音在 A 母合音，我们收尾的尾音 coda 啊是 P 啊，我们收尾的尾音啊，这收尾的尾音就是子音，所以我们母合音加子音等于 rhymes 韵音，押韵的韵哈，押韵的韵。好，所以我们知道哈，我们再把它再写过来 ，CAP interpon TURE main stress first syllable。那第一个音节我们看它主要是 consonant vowel consonant 啊 ，consonant 子音 ，vowel 母音 consonant 的组合。在强音节这地方是 consonant vowel consonant， 那我们当然刚刚讲过了 ，nucleus and coda they rhyme， 所以我们在这个地方啊 ，consonant vowel consonant combination of vowel and consonant 啊，我们这个 nucleus and coda 就是 AP cap short vowel A cap digraph TU as RE 等于 ER 啊 ending RE 等于 ER， 然后我们这边画个落母音所以 capture again main stress first syllable CAP syllable TURE consonant vowel consonant vowel and consonant therefore short vowel A cap digraph TU at ending RE 等于 ER weak vowel E capture 好的，我们再看第二个单字 Gargantuan 好，这个字比较长，我写下面一点 Gargantuan 哦，这个字就比较长了哈。我们看它是16世纪来的哈，是从来自一个书啊，一个书哈里面中的一个巨人的名字哈，叫 Gargantuan 啊，一个书名中的一个书籍中的一个主角的名字哈。那我们来看看这个 Gargantuan 啊，那当然它是书名，它的发音就很特别，所以重音在第二音节。所以 Gargantuan 我们看哈，因为它的发音很特别，好，我们看它的重音在第二音节，所以我们在这个地方哈，注意，其实这边应该第一音节要标次重音了哈，所以我们把它当成双重音的地方来解决，我们的 strong syllable 是1-2，strong syllable 是1-2，weak syllable 是3-4。那在这个地方呢，3-4我们是清母音的这个地方哈，我们先把它跟刚刚一样，有没有看两个字很像 ？TU 对不对？我们找到 TU，T 画双线，U 打叉。那这个地方 U 不用打的，不用打叉，它也还是画一个落母音，因为它，这个地方我们要稍微解决一下哈，因为它这个地方隐藏了一个误音哈，所以我们如果把这个误音给带进来的话，它就念 u， 落母音 u， 再一个落母音 a，chun， 或者有人就念 chen， 如果你这个框没念的话，你就把这个 tuan 当成一个音节，你就跟刚刚一样，这边打叉 a， 就念 chun。那如果要念 chun， 如果你要 chun 的时候呢，那你就这边多加一个音节过来，它就念 chun。好，那我们先念 chun 好了哈。好，我们来先看第一个音节 onset， 开头子音 G， 开头首音 G，followed by nucleus AR。那这个地方哈，它没有尾音所以我们就念 gar。第二个音节呢 ，onset 是什么 ？G， 一样合音是什么 ？nucleus A 合音在 A， 口的在 N， 尾音在 N， nucleus and coda rhymes 就念 N。 好，那我们现在再看一下 gargantuan， gar 次重音哈，主重音在第一二音节 gargantuan。 好，我们来看哈 consonant vowel R VNR， 那所以它会用公式是 R control syllable， 它用 R 所控制出来的双母音，要记得 A-E-I-O-U 加上 R 就念 R air ear or U， 美式哈五大双母音哈。那在这个地方，我们这边画双母音朝上的箭头 gar， 我这边写个 D， 好，代表它是 diphthongs， D 代表它是 diphthong， 好，双母音 D 代表是 diphthong。 好，那么第二个音节，我们看那个组合是什么 ？consonant vowel consonant， 啊，记得它是有 nucleus 跟 coda 嘛，所以加起来 V and C short vowels gargan digraph TU as ch weak vowel U as U gargantuan weak vowel A juan， 所以我们这样画 gargantuan again。再一遍哈 secondary stress on first syllable, main stress on second syllable. TU interpunct a syllable AN, consonant vowel R, V and R, digraph AR as R, gar. CVC, consonant vowel consonant, VNC, vowel and consonant, nucleus and coda, AN as N, short vowels, gan, gargan. TU as ch, weak vowel U as U, chew, weak vowel A as juan, gargantuan, gargantuan。好的，我们再替这两个单词做一次练习。capture, capture, capture, gargantuan, gargantuan, gargantuan。 OK， 同学们，以上就是今天的 vocabulary of the day 每日单字。同样的，如果你对 David 老师有这个 phonic 自然发音的方式，带领你进入 phonetic 音标的世界，并且用 phonic 用线形符号自然音标用线形符号来表达母音发音的方式，如短母音、长母音、轻母音、双母音，或者用线形符号来表达子音特殊组合所发出来的举例来说，像今天 TU 组出来的二合子音 ch， 用线形符号来表达有对你的拼音技巧、逻辑有所帮助的话，欢迎大家用 Google Plus， 用 Google 加 David 老师做好友 ，Google Plus 加 David 老师做好友。Okay, friends, if you find my pronunciation videos are useful, and simply just add my username DavidTDING88 into your Google Plus friend circle. And if you wish to write me an email, and my email account is davidtding88@gmail.com. I'm also using line communicator. My line ID is davidteam1688. Feel free to send me a message. And as Thanks for your video watching and video sharing among my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. 当然，喜欢老师的带子的话，欢迎大家来订阅我的 YouTube 频道。以上就今天的 Vocabulary of the Day，谢谢各位观众。